I'm gonna try to fledge today. Spread the wings, flap, 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 flap. Where should I fly to? Maybe a tree, and see if there's an apple or a berry on it to pick. Yeah, let's see. I think this way or that way. Let me see. Let me practice first. Let me warm up my wings. I think I'm warmed up. Should I wait for my mom to watch me? Let me make sure there's no big dogs around. Oh, there I go. Hover, hover, hover. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Warming up. Mom and Dad make this look so easy. Oh, foot stuck in the branch. Get up. You just stick off my foot. Oopsie. There we go. I'm off. You see me? Do you see me? Look where I landed. On top of the stick. Look, I did it. But I think I want to go to a tree. That tree looks very nice over there, very comfortable. Lots of leaves, soft landing. I think I'm gonna go for it. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go for it. Going for those trees. Here we go. Ah, wrong way. Oh yeah, to this tree. Ooh, yeah. You see me in there? Here I am at the tip toppy of this tree. I did it! Mom, Dad, did you see it? Hello? Kind of windy today. It's so cool from this view. I've never been out of my nest before. Wow! This is so cool. I can explore the whole world? What? I don't have to make a reservation to go on a plane. I can just jump and fly? Oh my gosh, I'm so lucky to be a bald eagle. Ah! I'm lucky. Ba-ba-ba. La 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 la. It's so beautiful up here. I think I'll stay overnight.